Growing up, I had science courses in grade 7 and 8 where they were all kind of practical based, where it was like build a rocket and do an egg drop and try to protect your egg. All of the assignments were things like that. And those are the things I think I was really interested in. Bill Nye the Science Guy and Magic School Bus, and now my kids are starting to watch Magic School Bus at home, so it's all coming around full circle. I work in the inorganic department of environmental enforcement and laboratory services. We're testing the water in the region, both wastewater and drinking water, as well as industrial waters. For residents, it makes sure that our drinking water is clean, that our wastewater treatment plants are doing a good job and not impacting the environment too much.
Science rules.
Science rules.